You're getting bad results from ChatGPT and Claude. Here's the real reason, and the exact framework to fix it in 5 minutes.
Welcome back to the AI Edge. Quick disclaimer, everything I'm about to show you, I've tested myself. No theory, just what actually works. Let's get into it.
This is the part that surprised me the most. Here's the part one really want you to pay attention to. I learned this the hard way. Do not skip this step.
Here's what you need to know. Here is an insight most people miss. The mechanism is surprisingly elegant. And that is what makes all the difference. But here is the thing, you can always scale up from here.
Let me break this down. Here is a technique that saved me hours. Here is what's happening under the hood. And that is what makes all the difference. But here is the thing, start small and iterate.
Let me explain why this matters. Here is one of the most useful things I discovered. The mechanism is surprisingly elegant. This is where the real leverage is. But here is the thing, start small and iterate.
Let me break this down. Here is something that completely changed my workflow. The mechanism is surprisingly elegant. This is exactly why it works so well. But here is the thing, consistency beats intensity.
Let me explain why this matters. Here is an insight most people miss. The mechanism is surprisingly elegant. And that is what makes all the difference. You will thank yourself later.
If this helped, you know what to do, smash subscribe, new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if you've got a tool you want me to test, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.